Still saving links you'll never read? Or forgetting the best parts of that blog, article, or newsletter? This one Chrome extension will change how you read online forever. Let's be real. We don't finish 80% of what we bookmark. And even if we do, we forget it in a week. That's why I started using Glasp, and it's a game changer. Checkmark highlight any part of a web page. Checkmark Glasp saves it to your library. Checkmark AI generates key takeaways, summaries, quotes, even discussion prompts. Checkmark syncs to Notion, Readwise, Obsidian. I used it to summarize a 5,000-word blog in 15 seconds. Now all my research, notes, and golden insights are in one place, searchable and shareable. If you're a student, writer, or knowledge addict, you need this. It's like having a memory that never forgets. This is day 25 in my AI Tool a Day series. Follow for more tools that save time, upgrade your brain, and simplify your digital life.